this module, we will learn how to make a number a perfect square by addition of another number to it. Good morning, dear students. In exercise 6.3, question number 3, it is given that find the least number which when added to 4529 makes it a perfect square. See, it is given that you have to find the least number which when added to 4529 makes it a perfect square. That means one thing is clear, that it is not a perfect square. Now, how to find the number which must be added to it? We will proceed in the similar manner as we do to find the square root using long division method. Now see how to solve it. We have to find a number which must be added to 4529 to make it a perfect square. So, while finding the root of a number using long division method, we make pair from the right towards left. And for this, you must know the squares of first 10 numbers. Write it down for your convenience. You can see that 45 lies between 49 and 36. 49 and 36. But the smaller one is 36. So we will take 6 6 36. Subtracting them we get 9. Now we will write this second pair down. And what was the next step? To double this number. 6 2s are 12. Now it is not a perfect square. So you need to check that it could be near to which number. Okay. For that you can see that in the table of 12, 92 will go on which number? I think nearly 7. Because 12 sevens are 84. So first of all, I will try 127 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 4. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. 1 carry. 7 1 is 7. And 1 8. 8 8 9. I will check for 128 as well. 8 8 is 64. 6 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6. 22. 2 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 2. 1024. Now 1024 is greater than 929 and 889 is smaller than it. And we have to find what number must be added. Now how to do that? See, whenever there is a case of what number must be added, there are two methods. First is that you subtract 8 8 9. 7s are 67. Subtract it 12 minus 8 4. You get 40 as the difference. Now what is the next method? What is the method to find it? That you find 68 square. You find 68 square. 68 square will be equal to 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 8 6 is 48 plus 6, 54. 6 8 is 48, 4 carry, 6 6 is 36 plus 4, 40. 4, 12, 6, 4, 6, 2, 4. So, the number to be added is that we will subtract 4, 5, 2, 9. The given number from the square of 68. One greater than what we received over here. Subtract them 5. Here 1 will be left 11. 11 minus 2 9. 95. So one way is that you will write that 95 must be added to 4529 to make it a perfect square. That is 4529 plus 95 is equal to 4624. And you know that the under the root 4624 is 68. No need of calculation. Okay. One method is this, what we have done till now. Now what is the another way? You have to proceed in the similar manner. But how you will do it? There is a little bit difference in that. Let me tell you. Till here you have to proceed in the similar way. Till here you have to proceed in the similar way. There is no change in the procedure. But what will be our next step? Our next step will be that we will take the greater number. Instead of smaller number, what we will take? Greater number. So we need to subtract 1024. And you know that it is not possible to subtract these number, or you will be getting the result in negative. So there is one method that you switch the order and then do the subtraction. While subtracting, you will get the answer as 95. One way is this, or you can directly subtract over here. You will get minus 95 in negative. You will get minus 95 in negative. So whatsoever is your negative number, that must be added to this number. That must be added to the given number. So you will write that 95 must be added to 4529 to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. That is 4529 plus 95 is equal to 4624, and under the root 4624 is 68. What we have got over here. Is that clear? Once again I am repeating the second method. Till here the method is same. After that you have to check that on what number it will go. 127 into 7, 889, 128 into 8, 1024. So I have written the bigger number over here. Subtract them, either write it in negative or you can swap them and find the difference. Whatsoever will be the difference of these two numbers, that will be our required number that must be added to 4529 to make it a perfect square. Is that clear?